plumber plumber เป็นคำ silent b จึงไม่ออกเสียง plumber plumber when is the plumber coming to repair the burst pipe when is the plumber coming to repair the burst pipe government government เป็นคำ silent n n หลัง r ในคำนี้ไม่ออกเสียงจึงเป็น government government the government is announcing its tax proposals today the government is announcing its tax proposals today register register not register register students are to register for the new course by the end of April students are to register for the new course by the end of April vacuum vacuum not vacuum vacuum I bought a vacuum cleaner for the carpet floor yesterday I bought a vacuum cleaner for the carpet floor yesterday silhouette silhouette not silhouette ไม่ต้องออกเสียง h หลัง l จึงเป็น silhouette the silhouette of the tree on the hill is clear against the sky the silhouette of the tree on the hill is clear against the sky salmon salmon เป็นคำ silent l เราคือ l ไม่ออกเสียงจึงเป็น salmon ไม่ใช่ salmon thousands of young salmon are killed by the pollution each year thousands of young salmon are killed by the pollution each year haughty haughty not haughty 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 she has a rather haughty manner she has a rather haughty manner secret secret not sacred 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 Jerusalem is considered sacred to the people of Israel Jerusalem is considered sacred to the people of Israel sovereign sovereign not sovereign 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 nations have the right to conduct their own affairs sovereign nations have the right to conduct their own affairs key key a key is a long structure usually built of stone where bolts can be tied up a key is a long structure usually built of stone where bolts can be tied up let's recap plumber government register vacuum silhouette salmon haughty secret sovereign key